up, guys? We're here at the Cars and Coffee at the Noble Barber Shop. Let's check it out. Okay, first off, we got a sweet old school Chevy pickup truck making some noise. Sounds good. All right, nice. Old school pickup there. What's that, a Chevelle right there? And this truck right here doesn't look like much, but it's got a pretty beefy camshaft in there. Older Jeep and newer Jeep truck. What's this, a Bronco, I believe? Looks pretty good. Let's check under the hood, see what it's got. All right, pretty large 8-cylinder engine. Cool. And then this right here. Wait till you see this. Big Whipple supercharger. Lightning. Good looking single cab. This thing is really sweet. Really sweet. But yeah, guys, it's a pretty cool place for Cars and Coffee. Over here in Livingston, Mississippi, kinda behind Madison. But yeah, pretty cool. There's his barbershop there. Then all the sweet rides are scattered out here. A couple more sweet rides down this line. You got a 2020 Dodge Challenger RT. Pretty cool. And what a Land Rover over there, okay. Ho, that was nothing. That's an off-road vehicle, huh? Cool. Old school Chevy pickup here, looking good. Grand National right here, I believe. Old school, looks nice. Let's check out this 6-cylinder with a turbo. Cold air intake, all right. Turbo there, and boom. Cobra right here. Looking pretty good. Good old supercharged 4.6 liter, nice. Clean pickup right here. I like that paint job a lot. Then you got a Mustang over here. And then an OBS pickup truck over there. And if you like bikes, I got a couple of those as well. One there and one there. But let's check this Camaro out. Ooh, boy, did they pack a large motor in here. That's nice. Not just motor, you got a big old Magnuson blower on the top. Golly, that thing probably makes some serious power. Let's check out this pickup truck behind it though. These are pretty cool, pretty rare. Harley Davidson F-150, early 2000s, I believe. 5.4 liter supercharger on top, big cold air intake as well. Pretty clean. Looks good too, I like those rims for sure. That Camaro looks amazing as well. And what's even better than all the cars, guys, you got free beverages and donuts and things inside. Plenty of tasty treats. Let's just say those donuts were good. I may have already had one, but yeah, really cool place. Super cool. Good looking old school pickup right here, old school Chevy. Definitely not the original motor. Not quite sure, maybe a 6-liter, but I bet it sounds good. Sure does look good. I like that paint job. Those rims are nice as well. Let's check out the tag. I saw it earlier and it says Pops 87. So 87, 1987, gotcha. Nice, looks good. And this is the guy's truck that's putting it on, Noble Barber. I like the old school paint job on it, like the kind of work in progress type paint job. That's pretty cool. I like seeing paint jobs like that on older vehicles. Then you got a good looking Bel Air right here. Oh boy, talk about spotless under the hood, huh? Really nice. And then over here you got a Lotus, Corvette, and SpongeBob SquarePants, I guess. Pulled up in the boat car, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool. But yeah, check out this downtown area. It's pretty cool. And you got another old school down there and a New Edge Mustang. Pretty clean, I like those. But yeah, really cool area. Never been down here before. It's pretty cool. Got that right there. Old school Chevelle. Camaro here. And then some Buick right here. This thing is sweet. Under the hood, nice and clean. Rims and tires are cool. And oh boy, he's got some tire back there. Probably making some serious power. Good looking old pickup truck right there. F-250 Ranger, that's cool. And then you got a Cobra 427 over here. Not sure if it's a real one or a kit car. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt and say it's real. I just know they're very rare. Looks really good though. Sounded good on the way in as well. And then last but not least, all the way in the back, good looking GMC pickup. What is this, a Sierra? I don't know. I know these are old, so I don't know if they go by the same names that they do now. High Sierra, okay, that's cool. Oh, cool, let's check that interior. Nice. Red with the rim steering wheel. That looks really good, I like that a lot. Nice, clean pickup for sure. Last but certainly not least. Cool boy, that thing's making some serious sound. It started up and man, it was loud. He's rolling out. He's rolling out as well, and then this pickup's rolling out. Nice. All right, guys, now we're over here at Cars and Coffee at the Nissan plant. Let's check it out. All right, well, that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.